Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 2, and we are learning unit number 6, and its title is Caterpillar Garden. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 9, we will learn about writing skills on page number 54. My dear students, already in English for grade 1, already you have learned about naming words and kinds of nouns, how we can use them in our writing skills. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. And today we are going to enhance more about it. Point out, name some common objects in a picture or in an illustration. Describe in a word or a sentence. Use naming words in their speech and writing. So today, my dear students, we will cover about these SLOs. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Ibrahim, verse number 32, "It is Allah who created the heavens and the earth and sent down rain from the sky and produced thereby some fruits as provision for you and subjected for you the ships to sail through the sea by his command and subjected for you the rivers." Subhanallah, my dear students. This beautiful verse is telling us that it is Allah who created all things in the world, even life after death, what we will see, what we will face, each and everything is being created by Almighty Allah. Allah has created heavens, earth, skies, okay, everything is created by Almighty Allah, and He also give commands how to run all these things, and these all things are running in their own space, okay, own place. They don't distract each other, okay, because it is all because of the will of Almighty Allah. Subhanallah, my dear students. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have each and everything in his own command, okay. So let's see next. Look at the given picture and say 5 naming words and 5 action words from it. My dear students, look at the given picture. What do you see from this picture? Okay, you have to give naming words and 5 action verbs. Naming words, already you know that. What is naming word? Everything around us has a name and all things are naming words. And actions, all actions that we do called action words. So you have to find out and then discuss with your teacher. Pause the video and find out and then discuss with your teacher. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students. I hope you have done it, because you can things are there. Duck, you can see here also rain is there. Wow, okay, what they are doing? Yes, puddling. Okay, let's see now. Naming words. What are naming words? Like girl, ducks, lake, ground, track, sky, grass, trees, and rain. These all are called naming words. Everything has a name, everything around us has a name, and all names are called naming words. What are action words? Like play, walk, smile, hold, look, watch, and listen. Few words I have given there, my dear students. We know that all actions are called action verbs that we do, like I am speaking, speak is action, okay, and I am writing, write is action. You are reading something, so read is action. All action that we do are called action words, okay. So now let's see points to remember while reading a picture description. Okay, when we are going to describe a picture, so which points we have to memorize? Let's see. You have to look at the picture carefully. In first step, my dear students, we will look at the picture carefully. First, we have to see the picture, that what is picture about. First of all, we will get that. And the next, what we will do? We have to point out various namings and action words. After that, from this picture, we have to point out different naming words that we see in the picture and different action words those actions are being done by these naming words. Okay, so then we will highlight these things. And next, what we will, teachers should help students by giving them new vocabulary while forming sentence. After collecting naming words and action words, then teacher, you have to guide to your students how they will construct a simple sentence by using these naming words and action words. Okay, and next, what you have to do, students should use a word bank if given while writing about picture description. So my dear students, if there is a word bank on this picture, so you have to use these word bank for your picture description. Okay, so let's see that. What you have to do, you have to describe a picture. Here is an activity for you. Create a college, add images to represent something. For example, you could represent events in story or your day or even things you see during a particular season, and ask students to describe them in simple sentences. So my dear teacher, what you will do, you will show them a picture. It's up to you which picture you will show, and you will say to students to describe this picture in their own words. So picture can be like, I have few examples for you. See there, this is a picture about fruit and how we can get that. All these student will describe it. It can be in this way. See there. Wow, do you like rain? Look how they are enjoying. Next, there also, you can see there also. These are pictures for examples, and you have to describe like naming words, action words, which action words and which naming words you will use. In this way, you can show, my dear teacher, in this way you can show picture to your students, and then we will get that how they can describe these pictures according to the naming words and action words. Pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Welcome back. Good job. I hope you have done it, because we can now describe different things using describing words according to the naming words and like action words. Good job. Now what you have to do, my dear teacher, there is a page number 54. Question number 12 is there. What you have to do, you have to tell the students to look at the picture and write 5 simple sentences about the pictures. Guide students in their picture description. Help students to locate the grammatical errors that they may commit while describing the picture in question number 12. Question number 12 is there, and you have to describe these picture, my dear students. Teacher, you have to guide them and you have to follow them. Okay, this picture students will see, and they will use this word bank and they will write sentences. Okay, space is given here. So pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students. You have done it. Good job. You are being genius, mashallah. Next, what's your homework? You have to draw and color flower, fruit or fruits, write its name and 5 sentences about it, like color, size, season, smell, fragrance, etc. Its size, shape, taste. So you have to discuss that. You will draw color fruit of your own choice. It's up to you, my dear students. Okay. Next, yes, my dear teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get it and divide it into your students, and then see that how they can get different things through a picture description. So what we have covered, we learned to point out, name some common objects in a picture or an illustrations and describe them. We also learned to use naming words in speech and writing, and in this way we have covered up our discussion. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture and you got that how we can describe different pictures according to the person, place or thing, and by using naming words or action words. So tomorrow with a new lecture we will meet soon. Till that time, thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah.